Drone drop. Let's see what we got here. This is drone drop for November 2018. Let's do an unboxing. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, stickers. Yeah. More stickers. Team Black Sheep. I think I got enough of these sheep. Put all over the place, I believe. I don't know. But, yeah. Plenty of sheep. Let's see what we got here. Some more Team Black Sheep. Alright, let's see what we got here. It's like it's a beanie. Not a big fan of these, but hey. I may start, if I can get it open, I may start wearing them. Oops. Well, hopefully I can get it open here. Alright, there we go. Alright. Let's see if we can't cover this big forehead up. Well, I don't know if it goes good with the red. Ready to do some outside flying. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's go with some props. The Hulky props. Let's see. This is the 55 S clear blue durable 3-bladed 5-inch props. Alright, that must be pretty good. So 1, 2, and number 3. Oh yeah, look. Don't these arms look about the same? Let's see what we got here. Let's see if I can get them in a shot. Hold on. Here we go. Nope. I ain't got what he's got. But hey, well, alright, nope. Not enough there. Alright. Let's see what else we got here. Battery straps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Enix, or not Enix, Ethics, however you say it, I don't know. Obviously, the first time I said it on my channel, I didn't say it right. But, alright, get 4 of these straps. I have a feeling that I might have got an extra one, but hey, I don't know. Alright, what else we get here? Alrighty. Looks like this looks like a soldering board for it's a white noise FPV TBS Unify Crossfire Nano. Looks like it's either maybe both of them. You can looks like a 20 by 20. Maybe 20 by 20. It's got to be. Or it's like small. It's got to. It doesn't say on it if it's 20 by 20, but I know it's not 30 by 30. It looks like it's a little board that you can solder a Crossfire slash and or, I guess, Unify Nano Crossfire. Let's see what we got here. So that's pretty cool. Alright, we got the TBS Unify Pro Nano right here by TBS. If we can get that in a shot there. Yeah. Alright, wow. Looks like you get 2 TBS here. Just so it's in the camera. 2 of them here. TBS Unify Nano Pros. So it would have been nice if they gave us 2 of them boards. But hey, I can't complain. I think this is a pretty good box, I believe. So far, and we've got one more thing, and I think it's going to go with the hoodie here. an SMA extender with magnetic base. So you can put you a circular polarized antenna on the top there to put it on top of your car, and then run this in there to your goggles, and you'll be flying in the warmth of your vehicle. Hopefully you got some comfortable seats. It may not be warm if you don't have any windows in there, maybe. I know it almost feels like in this hobby, you probably can't afford a car with windows in it, so I don't know how good this is going to do you or not. Hey, maybe you can set it outside your house. That might work too. Huh. I don't know. This is a pretty good box. Pretty good box. So, I think I've said this on my channel once, and I actually moved from Quad Box to Drone Drop. And I'll tell you what, the second time when I went back to Drone Drop, they've definitely stepped it up. I have loved every box since I've been back. There might have been a few things I haven't used yet, and that's kind of the reason why. Two reasons. I guess just can't sustain ordering this stuff every month. And a lot of times the parts I either don't end up using, or they're good parts, but I end up having to buy more parts just so I can put it in a build. I guess this is going to be it. There's going to be no more Quad Boxes, no more Drone Drop. Yeah, it's kind of a sad thing. I did want to do one more month. Next month, just say Christmas, but I just can't afford it anymore, and so it's been a good ride, Drone Drop. Shout out back to Quad Box. It was a good run there. I think I've got enough quads to get me where I need. I can take a few crashes. So this is going to be farewell. Still going to try. I need to get some more videos back up on my channel. It's been just really busy working on finals for college, working full time, and sometimes just don't feel like going out and flying. Just fly around my house. I know y'all getting tired of seeing the same scenery every time, but hopefully get some more content up. But just wanted to say thanks a lot, Drone Drop. Great boxes lately. I hate to leave. I do appreciate when I had to send in my cancel email. I mean, they tried to keep me. They they offered me a discount to start, to continue going, but just couldn't do it. It wasn't like a huge discount, a couple dollars, and I really do appreciate that $2 discount you were going to give me to stay. I may come back eventually, but I don't have time to build right now. I don't need to build anymore. But I'll be watching the Facebook channel and seeing all this cool stuff y'all getting. I have seen some of the past Quad Boxes, and I think Drone Drop's beating them right now. But it's been a good ride. Thanks a lot. I might actually start wearing a beanie. The rock out. Make the ground shake.